You see your coworker in the elevator and the silence is painful because you don't know what to say beyond hello. This lesson is for beginner English learners who feel awkward in casual office conversations. By the end, you'll confidently make small talk with colleagues without freezing or sounding weird. Miss just one phrase today and you'll keep avoiding people instead of building workplace friendships. So, Brian, what do you usually say when you see a coworker?
Usually just hi.
That's a start, but then what?
Nothing. It gets awkward.
Exactly why we need this lesson. After hi, you ask, how's it going?
How's it going? Not, how are you?
Both work, but how's it going sounds more casual, more natural at work.
What do I answer?
Usually just, good, how about you?
That's it?
Yeah, simple. Good, how about you? Or pretty good, you?
Pretty good sounds American.
Very. You can also say, not bad.
Not bad again, that positive phrase.
Right, very common response. How's it going? Not bad, you?
What if I actually feel terrible?
At work, you usually keep it light. Say, I'm okay, or could be better.
Could be better?
Means not great, but you're not complaining. It's honest, but brief.
So I don't share real problems?
Not in quick small talk. Save that for closer friends.
Makes sense. What else can I ask?
The weather. Classic small talk. Nice weather today, right?
Really? The weather?
People joke about it, but it works. It's easy and safe.
Okay, so nice weather today?
Or crazy weather we're having. Cold this morning, huh?
Adding huh or right makes it conversational?
Exactly. Turns it into a question. Keeps the chat going.
What about Monday mornings?
Perfect topic. How was your weekend?
How was your weekend? Simple.
Super common Monday question. Everyone asks it. And I answer, what?
Keep it short. It was good. Pretty relaxing. Or too short.
Too short? That's funny.
Everyone relates. Weekends always feel too short. What if I did something interesting?
Share briefly. It was great. I went hiking. Or nice. I saw a movie.
Then they might ask more?
Maybe. If they're interested, the conversation continues naturally.
What about Friday?
Easy. Any plans for the weekend?
Any plans? That's the question?
Yeah. Any plans for the weekend? Or doing anything fun this weekend?
And my answer?
Not much. Just relaxing. Or yeah, meeting some friends.
Short answers are okay?
Totally fine. Small talk isn't deep conversation.
What if someone asks about my work?
They might say, how's your project going?
How's your project going?
Or busy day? How's work?
I say, it's going well?
Perfect. It's going well, pretty busy, or same old, same old.
Same old, same old.
Means nothing's changed, everything's normal. Very casual phrase.
I like that. Let's practice. Say, hey, how's it going? Nice weather today, right? Hey, how's it going? Nice weather today, right?
Excellent. Say it again.
Hey, how's it going? Nice weather today, right?
Great. Now here's something useful. Compliments work well for small talk.
Compliments?
Yeah, I like your shirt. Nice shoes.
Just compliment their clothes?
Sure. Or nice haircut. That's a cool bag.
Isn't that personal?
Not really. It's friendly, not creepy. Just keep it about visible things.
What do I say back?
Just, oh, thanks. Or thanks, I just got it.
That simple?
Yeah, then you can ask, where'd you get that?
Where'd you get that? That continues the conversation?
Exactly. Where'd you get those shoes? I need new ones.
Oh, sharing the same problem.
Right. Common ground makes small talk easy.
What about coffee breaks?
Perfect time for small talk. Getting coffee?
That's a question?
Yeah. You see someone heading to the break room, you say, getting coffee? And they say, yeah, need some caffeine. Or yeah, want some?
They might offer?
Sometimes it's friendly. I'm good, thanks. Or sure, thanks.
What do I talk about while getting coffee?
You can say, I need this today.
I need this?
Means you're tired, you need coffee. Everyone understands.
What else?
Long day, huh? Or is it Friday yet?
Is it Friday yet, even if it's Tuesday?
Yeah, it's a joke. Means you want the week to end.
People say that a lot?
All the time. Shows you're tired of the week.
What about lunch?
You can ask, where are you going for lunch?
Where are you going?
Or what are you having? Did you bring lunch?
Those are all small talk?
Yeah, food is always safe. What'd you have for lunch? That looks good.
That looks good? About their food?
Sure, if you're in the break room, that looks good. What is it?
Then they explain?
Yeah. Oh, it's leftovers from yesterday. Or just a sandwich.
What about after work?
You say heading out?
Heading out means leaving?
Yeah, heading out. Have a good night.
Have a good night?
Standard goodbye. Have a good night. See you tomorrow.
What if it's Friday?
Have a great weekend. Enjoy your weekend.
Those are automatic?
Pretty much. Everyone says them.
What if I'm leaving early?
Say, I'm taking off early today.
Taking off means leaving?
Yeah, I'm taking off. I'm heading out early. And people say, oh, okay, see you later. Or have a good one.
Have a good one? Generic goodbye. Works for any time. What about meetings?
Before meetings start, people chat. You can say, ready for this?
Ready for this? Like joking?
Yeah, slightly. Or how's your morning been?
How's your morning been? Simple, time-specific question. Better than generic, how are you?
That's smart. What about after meetings?
That was long, huh? Or, well, back to work.
Back to work?
Yeah, signals the meeting's over. Time to return. What if I see someone I haven't seen in a while?
Say, hey, long time no see.
Long time no see. That's the phrase?
Classic. Long time no see. Have you been?
How have you been? Not how are you?
How have you been asks about the time since you last met.
That makes sense.
Let's do final practice. Imagine Monday morning, you see a coworker at the coffee machine.
Hey, how's it going? How was your weekend?
Pretty good, just relaxed. You?
Nice. Mine was good too. I need this coffee today, though.
Right? Is it Friday yet?
Seriously. Anyway, have a good one.
You too.
That felt natural.
It was perfect. You used multiple phrases, kept it light, sounded completely normal. That's exactly how small talk works at offices. So here's my question for you. What's the hardest part of small talk for you? Tell us in the comments. And if you want more real workplace English, subscribe for new lessons every week. Thanks for listening.